Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to dive into one of the best infrared inspection cameras on the market, the FLIR TG165-X thermal imaging camera. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality thermal camera for your building inspections, HVAC needs, or electrical work, this is definitely one to consider. So, let's take a closer look at what makes the FLIR TG165-X stand out. Right off the bat, the FLIR TG165-X is equipped with an impressive infrared resolution of 160 by 120 pixels, giving you a clear, sharp thermal image with a total of 19,200 pixels. This level of resolution ensures you won't miss any details when scanning for heat anomalies. Whether you're detecting electrical faults, moisture damage, or insulation problems, the TG165-X makes it easier to pinpoint those hidden issues. The TG165-X also comes with a handy laser pointer, which helps to indicate the size of the area you're measuring, making it a lot quicker and easier to identify temperature differences across a surface. The built-in Bullseye laser adds an extra layer of accuracy, ensuring you're targeting the right area. One of the unique features of the FLIR TG165-X is its MSX technology. This patented feature embosses visual details onto the thermal image, providing you with a clearer picture. It combines both thermal and visual details to help you understand the temperature anomalies even better, making it much easier to interpret the data. This is perfect when you need to quickly assess a situation and make informed decisions. As for the design, the FLIR TG165-X is built tough. With an IP54 rating, it's drop-tested and designed to resist dust, dirt, and even light water splashes. It's perfect for tough environments, whether you're working in a dusty attic, a wet basement, or any other challenging conditions. The camera features a 2.4-inch color LCD screen with a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels. The display is bright and easy to read, even in low-light environments, making it easy to see the thermal image clearly. And if you need to share your findings, the camera is equipped with Bluetooth. So you can send the data to your mobile device using the FLIR Tools app, allowing you to keep detailed records or share reports on the go. Another great feature is its battery life. The FLIR TG165-X uses rechargeable batteries, so you don't have to worry about constantly replacing them. This is great for long days of inspections, and you can easily recharge using the included USB Type-C cable. The camera is also compact, lightweight, and ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Now, let's talk about the temperature range. The FLIR TG165-X can measure temperatures from as low as -25 degrees Celsius to as high as 300 degrees Celsius, or from -13 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide range makes it versatile enough for a variety of applications, from detecting electrical overheating to checking HVAC systems and insulation problems. In the box, you'll find the camera, a wrist strap for added security, a USB Type-C cable, a carry pouch for easy storage, and the user manual to guide you through the setup. It's everything you need to get started right away. To sum it up, the FLIR TG165-X thermal imaging camera is a fantastic tool for professionals and DIYers alike. Whether you're inspecting a building, diagnosing HVAC issues, or troubleshooting electrical systems, this camera provides accuracy, durability, and ease of use. With its high-resolution infrared imaging, MSX technology, and tough design, it truly stands out as one of the best infrared cameras in its class. If you're looking for a reliable thermal camera that gets the job done, the FLIR TG165-X is a great choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and product insights.